What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to download Blender and Windows 11. Super easy stuff. If you like stuff like this, if it helps you out, make sure to subscribe. First thing we're going to do is go to Firefox or Chrome or whatever it is you use and click on it. We're going to Google Blender. Hit enter. And the first thing that pops up should be blender.org. Go ahead and click on that. And then right here at the very top, download. Click on that, and then download Blender. And then give it a couple seconds in the corner here to download, and then once it's done, you're going to click on it. It's going to give you a little warning to make sure to trust the company. We trust Blender. Go ahead and hit OK. We'll exit out of Firefox. Then the little installer prompt will pop up. Go ahead and click Next. And here you can tell it where to download. This is conveniently where I would like it to download. So go ahead and click Next. And then Install. And then give it a couple minutes. I'll meet you back when it's done. And then when it's done, go ahead and hit Finished. And you should see right here that Blender is on our desktop now. Go ahead and double click it and it'll open right up. There you go. Simple as that. If that was helpful, give us a like, leave us a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.